on Earth, though, it's feeling steamy.
It is feeling very steamy, much colder up there. How hot is it, you ask? Thank you very much indeed. Heading into tomorrow, somewhere between blazing and scorcher. I mean, you know, we get these heat advisories day in and day out, and that's when temperatures, that feels like the apparent temperatures expected to feel like about 105 to 110, and that's where we've been in a lot of areas. You know, it's not just for the Miami International Airport, which is some of the numbers we always show you. This includes all of our counties and all of our areas, and some of us today got to heat advisory and then some. So this is the pattern we're in. It's an easterly wind that's always going to favor overnight and morning showers, and some could be, you know, pretty hefty, and then by the afternoon the wind's so strong the sea breeze gets pushed all the way inland, and that's where we have the thunderstorms that start to develop. We do have increasing weekend storm chances. I don't think it's going to be a big deal. It's just chances going up to about 50% heading into Saturday and Sunday. And yes, still watching a new area in the tropics. Latest information on that coming up in a couple minutes here as we check in on temperatures. Upper 80s to around 90. Still feeling like triple digits, but only about a half hour left here, and we'll be done with a heat advisory. Still mighty brutal out there. As far as where we've been, these are the numbers here. We spiked at a 106 there at 3 o'clock, but places like Kendall, Pembroke Pines pushing that 110, which is why it is in effect for Broward and into Miami-Dade counties. All right, so here is next weather radar network as we continue with the very quiet conditions. East winds sometimes even during the day. We have these flying showers coming in. This one just crossed over 95 over Deerfield Beach, and now it's over Palm Beach County. And the other action we have is this little bit of banding showers that are coming in right along the upper Keys or Key Largo, getting some nice refreshing shower activity after a very hot day. And this is not going to amount to much. It'll continue pushing off to the north and west. In general, this is the kind of setup you can expect. A lot of the rain moves off to the west, but if you get a particular shower that's really heavy and goes right on top of the bucket at the airport, look at that, almost 3/4 of an inch of rainfall that from this morning and overnight. As we head into the next couple of days, same deal. Morning showers, afternoon storms will be booking towards the inland areas here. I think a transition Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. The flow becomes a little lighter. We'll have a lot more moisture to work with, and so that's why rain chances are going up a little bit. You'll see that our next weather rain tracker for the rest of tonight, quieting down, but those overnight showers on that southeast flow will continue. There you see again wet between 8, 10 o'clock in the morning, and then everything pushes towards inland areas as we head into the afternoon. And in general, this is what we're expecting through the end of the week. Most of the action towards the west. In the tropics, checking in on this tropical wave, I have to tell you the latest model trends are not doing anything with it. It has about a 20% chance of doing something in the area you see circled there, but our model's really not too excited about it, and so good news there. As far as temperatures tomorrow, back in the 90s, and we'll have those rain chances pretty much top end here, and then diminishing coverage through the afternoon. There's that higher rain chance, but not bad as we head into Labor Day weekend.